Back. Today we're going to be talking about houses, a special kind of house. And we're all going to watch a TED Talk that is fun and inspiring. But before we get started, I'm going to get us started with a warm-up activity where we will be looking at a picture and I'm going to ask you some questions. Normally this would be done in pairs, but because of the pandemic, we're doing this class virtually. So I will just leave it up to you to raise your hand, click on the raise hand button when you're ready to answer the question. So let me pull up the picture first that we're looking at. Okay, do you all see a picture of a house here? Yes, great. And what is this house made of? Sam? Yeah, it looks like it's made of wood. What kind of wood or material is this? Joanna? Yes, it is made of bamboo. Great, you got that one right. And so the next question I want to ask you all, how is this house built? Is it built by machine, construction cranes? How do you think this is built? Okay, John? Built by humans. Yeah, they probably use some ladders to climb up to make it into 3 stories, right? Yeah. Great. So who do you think built this house? Louis? Yeah, construction workers maybe. Maybe people just like you and me. Jen? Yeah, it could be, this is designed by artists, designers, built by the local people. You have some great ideas here. And I see your hand raised. Great. So where do you think this house is located? Alice? This looks like a tropical place with all the trees, the greens. It's probably somewhere hot. I see a bunch of hands raised, so let me go down. John again. Yep, somewhere warm. Sam, tropical place. Yes, I think you all get an idea. It's probably cold, like where I am right now in Madison, Wisconsin. And this is built somewhere that is warm and tropical. And yeah, I see someone typing. I see Joanna typing. This is built in Southeast Asia. Maybe it's very likely. So last question I want to ask all of us. Why do we want to build houses like this? Think about it. Raise your hand or type in the chat. Yep, Louis wants to build it because it's beautiful. It is beautiful indeed. It's inspiring. It doesn't look like it's expensive. These are wonderful ideas and great reasoning. Great. So as we wrap up on this activity, I want to talk to all of you more about what we are aiming to do today, the objectives for today. So the objective of the class today is for all of you to watch a TED Talk. It's called Magic Houses Made of Bamboo by Elora Hardy, and she made this talk back in 2015. And after you watch the talk, I'm going to ask the class to summarize this talk about the bamboo houses and also highlight the key points in this talk. To help you summarize and come up with the key points, we will be learning how to take notes in the Cornell method or the Cornell Notes. I will show you how to take notes so that it is going to be more organic and comfortable for you to come up with a summary and key points. And then eventually, during the talk, I am going to ask you to take the notes in this Cornell format. That will help you get down all the content in real time. And then that's going to help you to generate the key points. And then finally, writing a summary for this talk. How does that sound? Sounds fun? Interesting? Great, let's get started.